Viewers, welcome back on my channel. Viewers, if you want to install on your Android phone 4K mountain wallpaper, just search in Google Play Store 10,000 natural wallpaper. Procedure is very simple. Just press the plus button and first of all option set is a wallpaper, second download to gallery, and third favorite and share option. Otherwise cross and back, choose most beautiful wallpaper of mountain available. Viewers, very beautiful places of the world in millions. Viewers, just back button press and choose the other wallpapers. Most beautiful places, 4K qualities print, decorate your cell phone, Android devices. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Okay.